Alright guys, you're back. This is how you download Half-Life.
Sure?
Yeah, it's a fish. Half-Life 2 demo. We're gonna download it.
Download what?
It's easy. Just go to the. Don't worry, guys. I show you the link. I give you the link. I give you the freaking link.
Sure you are.
Yes, I'm sure, and you are not sure because I'm sure. There means I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, you idiot. Sure and sure, surer than the world. Wait, guys, you're gonna have to download other stuff like this.
Sure?
Yeah!
I don't speak sure.
Stop! God. Sure, surer than you're sure. Sure.